What I have here is a Remington 870 Police Magnum less lethal trade-in, and it's pretty beat up. You can see it has a lot of paint and such left on the barrel, pretty scuffed up, some dirt here. But we're going to see if we can clean this gun just using some typical shop stuff, some brake clean and WD-40. So we'll see if we can just give it a decent clean so it looks a little bit better. Keep out in the shop. You can get these police trade-ins pretty cheap. And being it's a less lethal one, it spent most of its life shooting beanbags. So I believe it might be in a little bit better shape than the ones that shot the lead. So we'll get started. And I'm just going to use WD-40 and some brake clean. Before you clean or work on your firearms, always be sure that your chamber is clear and is empty. So I'll start to see if I can clean this. And get a little WD-40 on there. And it appears actually the WD-40 is doing a better job than the brake clean. So I'll continue to use the WD-40 and this soft Scotch-Brite pad. And it's looking pretty good. I'll switch to paper towels. Well, it's cleaning up the outside of the gun really nice. Once you have your gun clean, I used the WD-40 and the brake clean, which WD-40 I think worked better. You can take a look at the barrel. There was a few small spots I noticed when I was done, and acetone actually cleaned those up real nice. Your fingernail polish remover. But this still has your regular scuffs, but it got all the paint off, and it looks much better now. You remember all the red that was on it before in different colors. And now I'm just going to take one of my standard lubricants. You can use any of the, but I'm going to go with the rim oil. And I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and lube it up like you would normally. And put it back away until I'm ready to use it. So I appreciate you watching this video, and you can use your shop cleaners on your guns. You just have to be careful. The brake clean did not affect the rubber grips in any way. They didn't get soft. They didn't discolor them or cause any issue. So maybe some of your other plastics it might, but on this gun it didn't. So some people say, yeah, be careful with brake clean because it'll cause issues with your plastics. I had none. But like I said, the WD-40 actually seemed like it was working a little bit better. Or you can stick at your traditional oil or lubricant cleaners. Only thing is, I don't believe you're going to have any luck cleaning any of the paint and other marks off the outsides of your gun. But thanks for watching this video. And if it was helpful and you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Bye.